Hi guys, I wanted to show you an easy way to do the assignment that you're going to do today. Today's assignment is to go find 5 bulletin boards that you like, pictures of bulletin boards, to put them into a Google Doc, and underneath each one say a couple things about what you like about that particular bulletin board. So the easiest way to do this, is to go to Google or any other search engine and find some images of some bulletin boards that you like. So be thinking about your internship and what would be appropriate for your grade level and or subjects. So maybe I want to do this particular bulletin board because I really like the humor of the dinosaur one. And so I'm going to right click and copy image. And then I'm going to go to my Google Doc that I have started. And I'm going to paste that in here by hitting Control V. Now it's picking up both pictures as one because the blog writer had combined them into one image, but that's okay. And then what I want you to do is make sure that at the top of the document you have your name, you have your date, you have the period, and you have the assignment title, which is Bulletin Board Search and Find. Okay. And underneath it, I want you to write at least 2, preferably 3 things you like about the bulletin board. So here I might say I like the humor of the dinosaur bulletin board because it's funny. Students are more likely to pay attention to its message. And then maybe I like the simple and clean design, which makes it easy to see and easy to understand the message. Okay, you're going to do that for 5 bulletin boards and turn it in. So the reason we're doing this assignment is it is preparation for an assignment you're going to do next week, maybe the week after, kind of depends on how things go, where you're just going to design a bulletin board for your internship teacher. So you're not going to obviously make the bulletin board or decorate the bulletin board, but you're going to spend some time sketching out a bulletin board and making a list of the supplies that you would need and making sure that it's really clear to me what it is that you would do. Okay, so this assignment should be relatively easy. Hopefully you have some fun with it. Don't forget that, so this assignment is for Friday, March 27th. Don't forget that on Tuesday, March 30th, is that? Let's see. Tuesday, March 31st, we are going to have a mandatory Google Meet at 12 o'clock. And I'll post the link for that. For Friday, you are welcome to pop in if you have questions, but as long as you get this assignment turned in, you are good to go. All right? Let me know if you have questions. I'll talk to you guys later.